In this video right here, I'll be showing you guys how you can link or how you can add your local bank account to your Payoneer account. So Payoneer is an international something, and then one good thing about them is you can link almost all your local bank accounts. So I'm in Ghana and I've linked a local bank account here, but then on PayPal you can't do that. I'm going to show you guys how you can link your local bank account in any country you find yourself on your Payoneer account. So when you hop on your account like this, all you need to do is just tap on the manage here. You can do same by clicking on the withdraw and convert, but then let's use the manage one. Good. So on here, all we need to do is tap on the bank account for withdrawals. You can see it here. So I choose this section. Good. So on here you can see I've already linked a first bank account. You can see, just like I said, I've already linked a local bank account to it. So to add another account, or let's say you don't even have any accounts on your Payoneer, all you need to do is just tap on this. You add an account. So what they will need from you is your account number, the name on your account. That's it, and you're good to go, and you save it. So good. So I have a single bank account, so I can't link a new bank account, but then I'm going to open the page for you guys to see how it's going to look like. So you can see, you just choose my account or a personal account. If your account is a business account, you choose the business, you choose the country, you select the bank account currency, and then you move to next. And here you enter the account details. So all you need to do is just enter the bank name, you get it, and then your name here, your name on your bank account, and this is your account number, and this is your sort code. So the sort code should be what do we call it, your Swift code, something like that. Then you agree to this term, you agree to this, and then you tap on next to add your account, and that's it on how you can add or link a bank account to your Payoneer account. So if you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. Also, if you have any question with regards to this video, you can drop it in the comment section and I'm going to do well to help you with that. So that's it with the video. Peace.